Jeff wants to know what it's like out there.
Chaos. Ruin. And it changes you.
The violence.
Which man will I be?
I try so hard not to be part of it.
You'll never be the same.
I knew it would change me.
One morning, you'll start thinking like someone new.
And I ain't see it.
Someone you don't know yet. The person that comes after.
So I know what it costs.
Have you seen the way they look at me?
What do they see?
Like I'm a monster.
A monster. Soy un buen hombre.
You lost a part of me.
He hecho cosas terribles.
I had a chance to kill him.
Look at what killing got us, Nick. Look at what it's done to you.
This is not you, Nick. You're not a killer.
I think I'm actually starting to get used to this.
Complicated problems call for complicated solutions.
This is what we do now. Spill blood, clean it up, spill it again.
Where'd you learn to kill?
Killing people's not complicated. It's simple.
Just games, like it comes to all of us. Necessity.
Do you think she will understand that it was necessary then to survive? That it is necessary again? Harness the fury or get stampeded.
I'm looking for a third way.
There isn't one!
This is the life. You ain't gonna find a way out.
War was waiting to be realized by us.
She was right about it. She knew what we are.
Slide.
Pretending any place is safe, it's not. We keep searching for something that doesn't exist. We kill for it and die for it.
We destroy everything.
This is everywhere. It's not state, not country, not continent. It does not see borders.
You grow accustomed to the killing.
The whole world is lost.
How did you end up here?
That's a big question.
The dog is nature. But nature, well, nature always wins. Nature always wins.